Nothing beats a day spent outdoors. That's why we took Monster Jam for a ride out of the stadiums and built massive tracks in the untamed wilderness. It's time to go off-road with Monster Jam Showdown. Come drifting on the snow and ice of Alaskan mountains, racing through peaks, lakes, and frozen surfaces. Go splashing over massive puddles, zipping through the trees of the Colorado forests. Or prepare yourself to kick up walls of dust, rallying the rocky landscapes of Death Valley's desert. All in this unique adrenaline-pumping arcade racing game. Hit that boost to overtake your rivals, gaining more power by destroying obstacles and drifting with style. You might also stumble upon a shortcut or two on these ultra-challenging tracks full of jumps, stunning crossings, and sneaky passages. But remember, you're in Mother Nature's playground now. Can you tame sandstorms, heavy rains, and blizzards? Buckle up for the ultimate off-road thrills. Stay tuned, things may get even more challenging. Monster Jam Showdown. It's showtime!